In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy slides from one presentation to another in PowerPoint. First, make sure you have both presentations ready. Go ahead and open the PowerPoint file that contains the slides you want to copy. Once that's open, also open the second PowerPoint file, the one where you want those slides to appear. Having both files open at the same time makes it much easier to move slides between them. Now, in the source presentation, switch to the slide sorter view, or stay in the normal view on the left-hand side where you can see the list of all your slides as thumbnails. This is where you'll choose which slides you want to copy. Click on a single slide to select it. If you want to copy multiple slides at once, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each slide you want to include. This lets you pick several non-adjacent slides quickly. If the slides are in a row, you can click the first slide, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last slide in the sequence to select everything in between. Once your slides are selected, you're ready to copy them. Right-click on any one of the selected slides and choose Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you prefer. PowerPoint will now store those slides in your clipboard, ready to be pasted into the other presentation. Next, move over to the destination presentation. Click into that window and look again at the slide thumbnails on the left. Decide exactly where you want the copied slides to appear. Click on the slide that should come just before the new slides. If you want the new slides at the very beginning, select the first slide. If you want them at the end, simply select the last slide. Now, right-click in the thumbnail area where you want the slides to go and choose Paste. You can also press Ctrl+V. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you may see paste options appear. One option keeps the original formatting from the source presentation, and another matches the destination presentation's theme. If you want everything to look consistent with your current deck, choose the option to use the destination theme. If you want the slides to look exactly the same as they did in the original file, choose to keep source formatting. Finally, review the newly added slides in your destination presentation. Scroll through them, check that the order is correct, and make any small adjustments to text, images, or layout if needed. When you're happy with how everything looks, remember to save your presentation so you don't lose your changes.